Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Dogecoin Doge truly is a minable coin that generally is presently exchanged at $70.85 and a 29 per unit, with the market capitalization of $25,588, 664, 390, that in a real sense makes it a mid-position digital money in opposition to prevalent thinking. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have currently in a real sense become the point of convergence of consideration, not just for kind of retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for sort of huge institutional financial backers who sort of see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly powerful fundamentally fence against expansion that takes an especially weighty cost for the worldwide economy in a very large manner. Thusly, having it especially the most unna piece of the portfolio gave to crypto in a real sense is basically an absolute requirement for any dealer and financial backer who generally needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years and on, in conspicuous manner explicitly. Yet with it especially comes the need to intently certainly follow the improvements on the expressed market to appreciate what is happening, and for the most part have some feeling representing things to come. This Dogecoin cost expectation model sort of was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, sort of track down the best coins, or tokens to in every practical sense, put resources into, and keep the value bin developing. Yet, prior to digging into the inside and out Dogecoin investigation and cost forecast, we might want to help you to remember the, for the most part, fundamental principles of digital currency exchanging and venture, which truly is very huge. So we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its most certainly current standings, as well as the midterm and in every practical sense, long-haul cost expectation that explicitly depends on the readings of our all things considered, exclusive crypto unpredictability record CVIX in an unpretentious way. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin explicitly remains at $270.85 at a 29, and this sort of specific computerized resource stands firm on the ninth foothold in the worldwide digital currency positioning, which really is very critical. For in every way that really matters, your data, the actual positioning of each and every digital money certainly is vigorously dependent on its truly current market capitalization and cost, and essentially is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Likewise, to get a genuinely better in a real sense handle of the market circumstance and basically grasp the especially broad bearing of the pattern, or to enroll its non-appearance, it's likewise vital to, for the most part, examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which is very huge. Yesterday on Walk 3, the cost of Dogecoin remained at $40.20 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 1877% contrast when contrasted with the ongoing cost. 7 days prior, on February 26, the Dogecoin market generally remained at $8,699 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a genuinely significant manner. As the outcome, the cost explicitly moved by 0% comparable to its certainly present standing. A month prior, on February 4, Dogecoin was estimated at $79233, which sort of harmonized with our cost expectation for that specific period in a significant manner. Contrasted with the genuinely present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 125-32% cost move incredibly. At the point when it basically comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves certainly more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its most certainly generally prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous cryptographic money brokers view market capitalization as an especially key pointer to really be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, which in a real sense is very critical. It especially is determined by duplicating the in every practical sense all-out number of coins that are right now available for use coursing supply by the by and large current cost of Dogecoin, which as a currently referenced by generally remains at $70.85 or 29 in a very significant manner. Considering that equation, we most certainly have determined the by and large current market capitalization of Dogecoin to explicitly be at $25,588,664,390, which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among those truly present on the cryptographic money market. Yesterday on Walk 3, the market capitalization of Dogecoin especially remained at $23,606,807,655. Keep going week on February 26, the aggregate sum of all truly capital dedicated to Dogecoin was laid out at $12,331,469,933. The information from a month prior, enrolled on February 4 in every practical sense, shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $11,323,333,865, which all things considered is very critical. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that certainly have previously been mined, printed, or generally made, and in a real sense are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders, especially chilly wallets. So for especially your data, the in every practical sense, positioning of each and every cryptographic money in a real sense is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and cost, and sort of is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to, or so they essentially thought. The complete inventory likewise considers any coins that explicitly have been singed put unavailable for general use to keep a solid expansion rate, which in every practical sense is very huge. It can especially measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that fundamentally is public on the financial exchange, which for the most part is very critical. The truly all-out supply of Dogecoin at present generally remains at 143,330,756,384 Doge, exhibiting how hence, having it all things considered, least a piece of the portfolio committed to crypto basically, is essentially an unquestionable necessity for any dealer and financial backer who truly needs to sort of develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, or so they really thought. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile fundamentally is the most normally involved kind of measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, showing that so, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its extremely current standings, as well as the mid-term and sort of long-haul cost expectation that by and large depends on the readings of our all things considered, restrictive crypto unpredictability file CVIX, which especially is very huge. It compares with the best guess of the extremely by and large number of coins that especially are public on cryptographic money trades and really add to their liquidity in an in every practical sense significant way. Their volume doesn't in every practical sense incorporate the coins that really are vested, marked in essentially brilliant agreements, secured in advanced wallets, or for the most part put unavailable for general use, which by and large is genuinely critical. The coursing supply basically will be essentially what could be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange. At this moment, the flowing stockpile of Dogecoin especially is assessed at 143,330,756,384 Doge. Furthermore, the perusing